Hello, my name is Connor Dignan, and I'm here to give you a small demonstration of how to play my game Damage Control, which is my final year project. To enter Damage Control, all you have to do is go into the provided Git files and select Damage Control game files. In here you'll find the executable called Damage Control. All you have to do is click on that, and it'll bring you up to the default enter screen for Unity games. And if you see here, we're going to select a smaller window size so we can adequately display it on this recording software. Just going to set windowed and we're going to play now. Okay, as you can see here, the aim of the game is spelled out here. Protect the AI core to use the crew to disassemble the ship's systems for spare parts and repair the AI core. Use the left click to select a crew member, then right click on the system to either repair or disassemble that system. So we're going to start the game now. Okay, so here we have our game. This is your pawns. Here's Jim Bob, that's Mary Ellen, and that's Odysseus. And here we have our systems. That's the AI core, life support, shields, and we can move around the game by moving the mouse here. Oh, as we just saw there, the system has been attacked by a missile. So its life bar has been reduced. So, oh no, all of our systems are being attacked. This is not good. So we need to get some spare parts from these damaged systems. So when our AI core is attacked, we have the spare parts to repair it. So I'm going to send Odysseus over there to starboard weapons, and I'm going to send Jim Bob here to disassemble port engines. And Mary Ellen is going to disassemble the life support. They don't need that. They're cylinders. As you can see, our port weapons have been completely destroyed, and the AI core is beginning to be damaged now too. So what we have to do is repair the AI core. As we can see, Odysseus is finished with the starboard weapons, and now he has to work on the starboard engines before they're completely destroyed as well. Jim Bob is finished in here because there's nothing else to repair. So we're going to go back into the main core. As you can see, Mary Ellen still has plenty of spare parts to keep repairing. So she's going to keep repairing that system while it's being attacked. Luckily, all the old systems are still being attacked by the enemy ship. We might as well dismantle the shields now before it's destroyed as well. Okay, now we successfully gotten enough spare parts. Hopefully this will be enough time to keep the AI core repaired. Unfortunately, if we don't have enough parts, we won't be able to keep it repaired and we'll lose the game. If we set Mary Ellen to repair this again, as you can see, the spare parts counter keeps going down and the timer keeps going down as well. When that timer hits 0, we'll win the game. Or if the AI core's health hits 0, we'll lose the game. At the moment, Jim Bob and Odysseus don't really have anything to do, but if we wanted to, we could repair the life support. But that's just a waste of spare parts. Now, last 3 seconds of the game here. I've played this game quite well, so there's a good balance of spare parts, except we've only got 3 left. It looks like we're going to be able to win this game. And that's the basic way to play the game. Last 10 seconds now. Still being attacked. And there we go. We won the game. Now, this is the final screen. If we wanted to play the game again, we just set restart game, and then we can play again. And that's it. That's exactly how you play Damage Control. Have fun.